What I'm about to say to you might shock you because IIM Calcutta offers marks of academic diversity even to engineers. So what you see over there is the sports area at IIM Calcutta. So what you can see over there is basically the library where I'm stationed as of now. What I'm about to say to you might shock you, but if you are an engineer, if your undergraduation is in engineering, then you can probably be at IIM Calcutta with ease because IIM Calcutta offers marks of academic diversity even to engineers. Have you heard something which is incorrect, or have I said something which is absolutely wrong? But the fact is, it's true. There are obviously nuances to it, which is why I'm creating this vlog for you, so that you know that if you are an engineer, if you are a lawyer, then you have a great advantage at IIM Calcutta. Also, I must say that if you are a student of IPM, the great integrated program in management, which is being offered by 5 good IIMs as of now, even you have a big advantage in being from that stream while you are applying at IIM Calcutta. So stay tuned, watch the entire vlog as I'll be sharing with you what is this academic diversity scoring at IIM Calcutta while I am myself at IIM Calcutta. And one more thing I like to say, if you've not yet subscribed to me, please subscribe to my channel. It's very important because I've created a host of vlogs from not just IIM Calcutta but from IIM Ahmedabad as well. So all of that is exclusively available here. Do go ahead and subscribe so that you can see all of those vlogs, and you can also get notified whenever I upload any other new vlog from IIM Calcutta, IIM Ahmedabad, or who knows from where else. So what you see over there is the sports area at IIM Calcutta, and if that reminds you of academic diversity, then this video is exactly on that. Now what I want to share with you is that what are the various scores which you can have. Now let me start off by sharing the standard things. Now in your final selection score, when you have cleared your interview, your final selection, out of the 100 scores, you have 6 marks for academic diversity. Now these 6 marks play a very crucial role, and you need to completely understand how much will you score from this. Now as we know, if you have a non-engineering UG, only a non-engineering UG, you will not score a full 6 in that. You will get only a 4 out of 6 on that. You can see on your screen as well as of now. So that thing is in front of us. Now obviously, if you are an engineer and only a engineer, you will not score anything in that. It will be a 0. However, this is where things would get interesting. So if you are an engineer, if your UG is in engineering, however, if you went on to do a non-engineering PG after which you're planning to be here, then you will get 2 out of 6 in that academic scoring. From here, what you also should know is that if you are IPM student, which is a dual degree in which the UG is also non-engineering and even the PG is non-engineering, then you will score a 5 out of 6. So if you complete your IPM, you will get 5 out of 6. If you do not complete your IPM and if you leave IPM after the first 3 years, then you will be evaluated the same way as a non-engineer UG will be evaluated. So now here is where things get interesting, and I must share this interesting thing from a place which is equally extremely interesting, that if you have a dual degree in law, say for example, if you have a BA LLB, or if you have a BCom LLB, or if you have a BBA LLB, then you will get a 5 out of 6 in academics, which means that lawyers have an edge, lawyers have a great advantage over here. Further, if you are a CA or a CS or a ICWA and you have no bachelor's, then also you will score a 5 out of 6. So these are the two where you score 5 out of 6, and the reason why I highlighted is that because from here you can see that the lawyers have a clear advantage over here, and also if you are a finance person who has done either CA, CS or ICWA without any bachelor's, you get 5 out of 6. Now who are the ones who are scoring 6 out of 6? There are basically 3 of these guys who score 6 out of 6. If you are a CA, CS or ICWA who has a UG as well, you will get 6 out of 6, and this UG should be non-engineering. Then if you are a CA, CS and ICWA, and if instead of having a bachelor's you have a non-engineering a master's, even then you will get a 6 on 6. And then there is a third kind of student which will still get a 6 on 6. It is again the the ones who have pursued law. If you have pursued law, which is again BA LLB or BSc LLB or BCom LLB or even BBA LLB, and with that if you have a non-engineering masters, then you will also have a 6-on-6. So all of this will now be in front of your screen, and you will be able to see all of these things, that who is scoring how much in the diversity. So what you can see over there is basically the library where I'm stationed as of now, and I've walked the entire place. I'm going to have my lunch right now. I'm going to take my lunch right now, and I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. You know, I totally hope that you've enjoyed this vlog. You've come to know that yes, IIM Calcutta is a place of opportunities. If you are a student of IPM who wants to complete the IPM and then again try for an MBA, you get marks. If you are from law, you get marks. And even more surprising, if you are an engineer, but if you have a master's in non-engineering, you get marks. You get 2 out of this. So all is not lost for you if you think that, hey, I am at a disadvantage. IIM Calcutta, very frank, has something for everyone out there. And I can clearly feel it as I'm staying here. I can see, I've been speaking to the students, and I can see that what are the kind of students which they have over here. So if you've enjoyed this vlog, do not forget to subscribe, because I'll be sharing a lot more, and I hope you completely enjoyed it. Thanks a lot and goodbye.